The question I want to answer is, does size impact speed? I'll start by drawing a vertical y-axis. Draw another line for the horizontal x-axis. On the vertical line, I'll plot speed, ranging from slow at the bottom to fast at the top. On the horizontal axis, we'll plot size, ranging from little at the left to big at the right. Okay, let's plot those crabs and shrimp. Notice on the lower left, the shrimp are small and slow, but as we move to the right, the crabs are bigger and faster. Generally, bigger does mean faster. As for me, though, I'm pretty slow and so big I don't really even fit on the graph.